Jr. What's inside? Tap the green play button to get started. Look at all of these surprises. Let's go open some up. Sky is looking for a surprise. Tap on one. Wow! It's Sky's helicopter. Zeta's on the search for a surprise. Give one a tap. Silly Tala. Tap on a surprise for Marshall. Hey, it's Rocky. Pick a surprise for Rusty by tapping on it. Awesome! That's Crush. Liam wants you to pick a surprise. Tap. It's Jack. All right. Ruby's looking for a surprise. Tap. That's Ruby's buggy. Tap on a... Oh, wow. It's Casey. Tap on a surprise for Shine. A genie bottle. You found the golden surprise. Let's open it up. Awesome! It's Botasaur. What a special surprise. Tap the green button to open more surprise. Look at all of these Wow! It's Whirly. Let's pick... That's Rosie. What a great surprise. Choose a surprise for Rob. That's Zuma. All right. Tap on a surprise. It's Lacey. Tap a genie bottle. Zeta's on the search for Nesboo. Sky is looking Everest. What a great surprise. Let's pick a surprise for Blair. Violet. What a great surprise. You found the golden surprise. Let's open it up. Cool. The Glam Van. That's a special surprise. Tap the green button to open more surprises.
Play! First, click on the arrows to see all the Nick Jr. friends. Then, click the one you want. Next, click the picture you want to color. Then, click the color you want to color with. Click the paint bucket, crayon, or star brush. You can change tools whenever you want. Click the eraser to erase anything you've colored on your picture. When you're done, click the print button to print your awesome picture. Click the save button to save your picture. Click on the trash can button if you want to. You chose the paint bucket. You can fill big parts of the page with just one click. fire! Save! Crayon!